Hey everyone, today I'm going to be cooking alongside my two nieces, Anaiah and Liberty. We are making sugar cookies and it is a very simple recipe. So if you want to learn how to make this, then continue watching. Now in my stand mixer, I've added 1 cup of margarine and 1/2 cup of white sugar. I'm going to allow it to mix until they are nicely worked in together. Now once your butter and sugar are nicely creamed together like it is here, you're going to add in the remainder of your wet ingredients. So I'm going to go ahead and add 1 egg, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, and also 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And once that's all added in, I'm going to go ahead and mix them so they're nicely blended together. Now that all of our wet ingredients have gotten a nice mix and are nicely blended together, I'm going to go ahead and add my dry ingredients as well. So I'm going to add 4.5 cups of flour to my mix. I'm also going to go ahead and add 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder as well. Once again, I'm going to allow that to blend in so it's nicely mixed together. So at this point, we've mixed all of our ingredients, both dry and wet together, and this is the finished product here. We have a dough that's not too soft and not too hard, but just the right texture to make our sugar cookies and roll them out and use our cookie cutters. So let's get started. Now that we've made our dough, the second thing that we're going to do is divide it into 4 pieces because it's a lot easier to manage 4 smaller pieces than this huge piece of dough here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and divide it into 4 pieces. So you have 1 piece here, Now, after Anaiah and I divided our dough into 4 parts, we wrapped them in saran wrap and left them on the counter because we were waiting for Liberty to wake up. However, if you are not waiting around for any little one to get up from their nap, then you can jump right into rolling out your dough. I've lightly floured my cutting board to help reduce any stickiness, and I'm going to roll it out till it's reached this point here. Definitely, you don't want it to be too thin.
Let's go, baby. Oh. And I can't be slow.
Once the cookies are done and have cooled down for a little bit, you can begin decorating any way you like. Today the girls are using vanilla frosting, rainbow sprinkles, and pink sugar sprinkles.
I ate some already. Don't eat the icing. Yeah. What's wrong with that? You look good. Just gorgeous. Cookie. Okay. Some sprinkles. Is it ready for some sprinkles? Next off for this one, I'm going to do 1 for the first color and 1 for the other color. So I'm switching like this one. Let me get some more. And
Oh wow, cute!
thank you. I'm going to put some of this on the first layer. This is going on the first layer. I'm going to mix this layer. And now the second layer. Look, Libby, doing this to the now yours. Look, Libby, I'm switching. I can't look. Wow, this looks beautiful by switching. I'm gonna do this and this, so I'm gonna. Libby, you can't put all this sides. No, I'm gonna do this and this for this. Look, Libby. Next, off underneath. together. First I put on the pinky in it.
I hope that you all enjoyed this very easy sugar cookie recipe and try it out for yourself. As you can see, it's something really fun that you can do with your kids or nieces and nephews, and they will love it. Don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.